Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you have seen my previous videos, if not, my name is Shauna. I am a New York City based fashion model and lover of makeup. Today I'm actually filming my second look of the day. I have been slacking a little bit about doing 2 to 3 looks a week, so I wanted to start the week off doing twofold looks. And I knew what fashion look I wanted to put together for the second look, so I pulled together a color story in mind, or I put together a color story in mind, thinking about the fact that the wardrobe is like a little more muted. It's mostly like cream and blue, and I thought it would be fun to throw in some pops of color to brighten it up a bit. So I went through my makeup collection and I pulled out the KimChi Chic Juicy 9, I think that's what they're called, the series. Let me see. The Juicy 9 and the color story Mango Tango. And this is the outside carton, and this is the actual palette. And it looks like this. Really poppy and fun. I think it's actually entirely matte, which is not what I normally do, but hey, why not? I'm not sure if I even am going to use this red row. I definitely am going to use all 6 of those colors. I may pull in a red, like maybe in the outer corner somewhere, but I'm not sure. But anyway, I thought that this would be a fun pairing. And then for the lip, I'm going to be using the Double Down lip gloss in the shade The Rebel, which is a nice like bright pink color. So yeah, that's what we're going for today. And yeah, I'm excited to be creating content more regularly. Hopefully one of these days the flow of my words will get better doing this. I promise I'm a relatively decent speaker. But anyway, for now, let's just get right into doing the makeup. First, I'm going in with the shade Cotton Candy on a fluffy brush, and I would say this is a light, kind of mauvey pink color, and I placed this in and just above the crease and took it about halfway in. Next, using that same brush, I'm taking the shade Dragon Fruit, and this is a darker, more vibrant pink, and I'm placing this in the outer V and taking it to meet that initial color and blend those two together. Next, I'm going in with the shade Mango on a flat brush and placing this on the outer half of the lid, and this is a matte orange shade. For some reason I forgot to show on camera what shade I'm using here, but I'm using Sky Blue and placing that on the inner half of the lid with the same flat brush. This color was so disappointing. It kept fading immediately after I placed it on the lid, and I kept trying to build it up, but it just kept fading. And now I'm going in with the shade Grape Jelly, and I'm placing this underneath the lid with a smaller flat brush. And this is a matte, I would say mid-tone purple. And now I'm going in with the shade Cherry, which is a matte red, and connecting the upper and lower sections of the eye. And now in the waterline, I am just taking the House Labs Identified Gel Liner Pencil in the shade Priscilla, which is a vibrant light blue shade. For the inner eye highlight, I am taking the shade Space Baby. It is a highlighter by Ofra in collaboration with Nikki Tutorials. And now I'm just quickly blending everything out once more, and now I'm going in with the shade Shady Biz by Fenty Beauty. This is their Sunstalker bronzer, and I'm placing this on the cheeks, around the hairline, jawline, nose, just everywhere as usual. And now I'm just curling the lashes, and as usual, applying the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara. And now once more, I'm going in with the Ofra Cosmetics X Nikki Tutorials collaboration highlighter in the shade Space Baby. It's a very icy highlighter with a blue shift, which I think the camera did pick up pretty well. And definitely one of the photos that I'm going to insert at the end shows it very, very beautifully. And last but certainly not least, I'm going in with the shade The Rebel Lip Gloss by Double Down Cosmetics, which is a beautiful semi-sheer, vibrant pink color. And this is a completed look. It definitely turned out the way that I was imagining color-wise. I will say that I wasn't completely impressed with the color payoff of the shadows, especially the blue. I had to keep adding it on and on. I felt like it almost started fading immediately, which was a little weird. I'm not sure what was going on with that. The pinks and the oranges worked fine, the purple worked fine, and the red worked fine. But that said, I still am not overly impressed. I would say that the pigmentation is okay. It's there. But I definitely was expecting a little bit more, if I'm being completely transparent. Because I think the color story is stunning. And I mean, the light pink worked fine. I mean, you're not going to get a light pink like that to like really show up super intensely. I expected a little bit more from this shade. This shade was pretty okay. The red was definitely totally fine. And the orange, yeah, I mean, the orange is fine. But yeah, that blue, I was hoping for more. So yeah, I'm a little overwhelmed, but happy with the overall final look. And it's definitely what I was going for to pair with the outfit that I picked out. So, yeah, I know I'm going to get the photos that I want to get from that. And this was actually, I think, oddly enough, my first time using the Space Baby highlight. I know I'm so late to the game with that. I have used the Cloud9 one before, the pink one, but honestly this blue is where it's at, because this is like, the pink is pretty, but the blue is like super, super intense and giving me that alien feel that I love. So yeah, overall I'm happy with the look, and stay tuned a few more seconds to see the photos of the fashion look that I put together. And if you like this kind of content, then please like, comment, subscribe below. Let me know what your thoughts are. Is there anything that you would do differently? Are there any tips you would like to see? Are there any specific kinds of looks that you would like to see? I definitely want to continue to expand my repertoire with makeup. I definitely want to get more into liner looks. I have been using liner lately more often in the waterline, but I definitely want to start experimenting more with graphic liner to get better at that, because I'm not the best at precision work. So I definitely want to improve that skill. But anyway, that is all for now. Until next time, stay safe and stay well. Bye.